Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.